HANU7 NCERT Mathematic 4 Chapter 5 Part 2. So before going to enter into the details, let me have a quick recap of what we have learned in the previous class. And then before that, don't forget to subscribe, click the bell icon, and then click share button, and then click like button. Okay, now let us move into the next slide. So this is there are the three activities which we have seen in the last class. So drag and drop activity about shapes, and then we have seen one rat called Guppu. It reached the top of the ceiling with the help of a balloon which is having air or gas filled in it. Because of that gas, the balloon got it got went up, and then it touched the ceiling. So this Guppu started taking that advantage, and then she gone along with the rope which is connected to that balloon, which is attached to that balloon, and then from there onwards she started seeing all the things, including the dirt on the fan, Chinky also from there. And similarly, this is like as the wind flew hard, the Guppu started coming out of the house, and then she started flying high into the sky. So as she is going high and high, she can see the surroundings of her house, and then she can see the like Sheila's house, which is very near to the Guppu, and then she can also see the park, and then everything, Gurudwara, etc., railway station. And then in the railway station she could see even that Monte, a cat which is very big, if from the rat point of view when she is down, but now it is looking like a mouse. The Guppu is making fun of that Monte cat, and she is looking like a small rat, and she keep on going up and up, and then finally she started watching all the people as like hands, and all the buses and cars like toys, and all the trains and everything like just a box, long boxes which are connected. And suddenly the balloon got blasted. Okay, she heard the sound thup. Okay, and then she keep on coming down and down, and suddenly she fall down onto the railway track. Okay, so on the railway track, as soon as she fall on the railway track, then she immediately recognized that there will be a attack from the Monte cat, and then she started running away from that Monte cat. And there she realized that how the things could look like from the top, and how the things are looking like, actual things are looking like at the that particular end. So this is the again an activity here we have stopped yesterday. We have seen that the railway track is wider at the starting, that is at the end where you are looking, and then it is narrow here. You can see even for me also the line drawing is very simple. Here it is very wider, and there it is very narrow. And similarly here it is wider, the candles are wider, and then the candles are looking like a narrow. So why this happens is, it happens because of the way, or because of the angle at which we look to them. It's because of the angle at which we look them. So today, coming to today's session. So in today's session we are going to see about see on the right side here, she is in a top view. This is the top view of that girl. Okay, and these are all the, like, this is a front view, this is a front view, and then this is side view, and side view. So what is the question given to us is, mark one of the photos below matching the same whatever the girl is having here, whatever the fours in that she is having here, among all these 4 only one will be right. Okay, so not all others are correct. And you can observe here, if you observe closely here, this is the right hand of that girl. Okay, this is the right hand, and this is the left leg. Okay, so right hand should be on the top, but whereas here left hand is on the top, so this is not the correct position. Okay, and here in this case also left hand, so not the correct position. And here in this case both legs are on the same, I mean one on the other, but as per the picture one leg is apart from another leg. So of course, even though the right hand is there here, but the legs are not matching, so we cannot say even this. So this is the right answer. The perfect match for that pose is this one. Right hand is raised and the left leg is bent. Okay, and coming to the other slide here, in this slide you can see there are 3 pictures, and one picture, first one and third one, this picture, first number 1 and number 3 are of different views. This is a top view and this is a side view of the same pictures. Okay, but the picture 2 is the upside down. So is asking us, look at the different views of 1 and 3 of same balls, and in which in which photo are the balls upside down. And even I need not look at the third picture, I can directly say that by looking at the picture 1 and picture 2, or directly by looking at picture 3, I can say that this is the picture where the things are upside down. Now coming to the next slide, here in this you can see there are like draw lines to match the side view and top view of the given pipe and then given funnel. So this is the funnel. So funnel, this is the top view of the funnel and this is the side view of the funnel. So the 2 are matching here. The top view and then side view of the funnel are matching with each other. And similarly, this is a pipe, right? So a pipe is from the side view, you can see this is the pipe, and this is from the top we cannot see how the water is going inside, and here it is showing clearly that there is an inlet to the water or whatever it is. So these 2 are matching. Yeah, next question is try to draw pictures of a shoe from the side view, top view and then front view. So this is the top view of the shoe, and then next comes the side view. Okay, so this is the side view of the shoe. Okay, and then next comes the front view of the shoe. So totally there are three views is asking, side, top and front. This is the side view and this is the top view and this is the front view of a shoe. So these are all the pictures drawn by me only, so all copyrights are reserved with me. Yeah, right. Now coming to the next thing, that is we will be moving to the park which is near to the Guppu's house. Yesterday also we have seen, right? I mean in the last video also we have seen there is a park, large park near the Guppu's house, and you can see a sweet shop. Guppu is telling yummy sweets like that. Okay, and this is that park. So in this park there are 4 gates, A, B, C and D, and like beside C you can see there is a seesaw, and here there is a what you can say, flowers, I mean a group of flowers, and then a green bench. This is a sweet shop. Okay, now let us take up some questions. So like what are the question is, first mark the nearest sweet shop where can you find the nearest sweet shop? Is it near the gate A or gate B or gate C or gate D? If you want to go and purchase sweets, it is available from which gate? The nearest gate we want. So it is, answer is A. A will be the answer. Which gate is nearest to Guppu's house? C is the nearest to Guppu's house. Okay, so this is Guppu's house, so C is nearest to her house. If you enter gate B, the green bench will be left or right or front. This is gate B. If you enter in, then the green bench will be towards the left side or towards the right side or towards front. So it is very clear, right? We are entering into this park, so towards the left side only we have a green bench. So answer is left. Now comes to this Suhasini. She entered the park, the flower bed. Okay, when Suhasini entered the park, the flower bed was right to her. Okay, which gate did she enter? So this is what I told you, right? The flower bed or whatever it is. So when Suhasini enters from which gate, it will be towards right side. When she enters from A, it will be left side, right? So when she enters from B, it will be also towards left side. When she enters from C, it is towards right side only, but the distance is more. So when Suhasini entered the flower bed, the flower bed was to her right. Which gate did she entered? So answer is D. Okay, so which gate from which she entered? The answer is D. Which of these is nearest to you if you enter from gate C? If I enter from gate C, this is the gate C, right? So if I enter from gate C, which is the nearest thing? Basketball? No. Flower bed? No. Green bench? No. Seesaw? Yeah, right. Seesaw is the nearest thing which I can see if I enter from gate C. And here there is one more thing about directions. Here we will be learning about the directions. As of now, we have seen the top view, front view, and then different views of a object or a person as of now. Now let us see the different directions. Okay, you might have seen Google Maps, all those things, right? So those are all directions only. They will tell directions. They will tell like take a right here, take a left there, like that. Okay, so here two friends are there. One is Ismail and the other one is Srijata. So on the phone, Ismail told Srijata the route to his house from her house. The route map is shown here. Can you see Ismail house? So this is the Ismail house, which is orange in color, and this is Srijata's house, which is pink in color. Okay, and Ismail is telling Srijata to come in such a way that after passing the milk booth, which is very near to her house, go on. He is asking to go on straight. Okay, so something like this he is telling. So he is telling that after taking the immediate left turn after the milk booth, then she is supposed to pass even one more. Don't take any turn. So go to the second lane and then take a right turn. Okay, and then pass the bridge, and then after passing the bridge, he is telling that again you take a right turn. Okay, and then there she will be getting a park, and beside the park there will be one lane, and in that lane the first house is Ismail's house. Okay, so the thing is, where did Ismail went wrong? So that did he say the correct address? So you can see the conversation is like this. Over the phone, this is what Ismail told to Srijata. From your house, reach the milk booth and then take a left turn. From the second crossing, take a right turn and then go over the bridge. Go straight and then take the first right turn. First right turn, and after about 100 meters, you will see a big park. When you cross the park, you will come to a side lane. My house is the first house in that lane. So I told you the same, right? Okay. So but here I stopped because he said to take a right turn here. Okay. He said to take a right turn here, and then she will be wondering where is the park after crossing 100 meters from there. Okay, as per the Ismail, in the conversation over the phone, he was in a she is in a impression that after going 100 meters there will be a park, and after that if she can find a lane in that, the first house is Ismail house. The one which is dotted here is the Ismail what is supposed to tell, but he told it in a wrong way. So did Ismail go wrong somewhere? Yes. Can you correct him? Yeah. So this dashed line is the correction. Okay. So he should tell that after crossing the bridge, she has to take a left turn, and after 100 meters there will be a park, and there will be after that park there will be a line. In that line, the first house is Ismail house. But what happens if Srijata will reach where Srijata will reach if she takes the route he told her? I already drawn it right here in the picture. You can see Srijata will be going in search of Ismail's house, but she will be left without any clue. Now write the directions for going from Ismail house to Srijata's house. Okay, so in this it's very clear, right? Now I already told you how you have to draw the directions between Srijata's house to Ismail. Okay, so this dashed line after that will tell us that. Now let us go in reverse. From Ismail house, so we have to tell him clearly that after crossing the park, take a right turn, cross the bridge. Okay, so cross the bridge, and then after crossing the bridge, take again a left turn, come straight, don't take any turn here, come straight up to the second turn, and then take a right turn and a milk booth, and then in that come straight up to the third house. So in that lane, the third house is Srijata's house, or otherwise there is one more alternative. So instead of telling him to cross the bridge and everything, we can tell him like this: after passing the park, don't take any turn, then go straight until the next, take a right turn, he will be coming and then joining here. Okay, so after coming here, he will be taking a left turn, and then it continues same like the previous one. Okay, instead of this route, so he will be going in this route. Okay, so this is how you have to find out the routes and directions. Now coming to the one more here, in the third class you have learned Ghibli, a hand, right? Do you remember that? So Ghibli is a hand whom you might have remembered from your third class. So there I don't know like what Ghibli did everything, we will leave it for now. One day, so Ghibli saw a big box on her way. This is the big box. Okay, and like initially it was 4 was written on it, and then next it saw again a 5 after just passing from this 4, okay, if this is the 4, after crossing here, then she got 5. So she was out of curiosity, then she started climbing a cup to see what is there in this cup and what is this box actually. She climbed a cup, and then from there she could see, okay, she could see it is looking like a dice, or it is looking like a cube. So there are 3 sides which she can observe, which she can notice. What are they? One is 1, 4 and 5. Can you guess what the box like the thing was? It is a cube. Okay, so the number of opposite faces in this box add up to 7. Okay, so so we are lucky that the opposite faces will add up to 7, like HANU7. So subscribe to HANU7, don't forget. So 5 plus 2 is equal to how much? In this case, we cannot see more than 3 faces, right? So for a cube or for any object which is of this type, we cannot see not more than 3 faces. So in this case, I can see 5, 4 and 1. So as we know that the sum of the opposite faces, like the one which is in this color, opposite face is this color, the one which is in orange color, opposite face is this color, the one which is in blue color here, the opposite face which I could not draw is also in blue color. Okay, so the one which is in hash color and the one which is in blue color and the one which is in orange color will sum up, and that sum is 7. So we know one value, fortunately 5 is the value. What is the other value? The opposite value is 2. Okay, so 5 plus 2 will be the 7. Okay, so 4 is the face value of this is 4 here, and then what could be the face value of the other one? It is 3. Okay, so here it is 1 is the face value, and what could be the other value? Bottom, it is 6. So based on this, we can what we can see, there are some 4 number of questions which was on the opposite side of 5. Opposite side of 5 is 2. Okay, in the picture, which number will be at the bottom? It is 6. Which number will Ghibli see if she again turn left from 4? She earlier she was at 4, she turned left and she saw 5. Again if she turn left here, okay, again if she turn left, she will see 3. Okay, so this is how you have to write down the answers for the questions. Now which what will this box look if you opened it up? Mark the correct picture from the below and draw up ones. I mean, these are the drawn up ones which I have drawn it as per the same color whatever I have shown you. So in this, which box looks correct? So for that, what we have to see is, we have to always go with this checking, like 5 plus 2 is 7, 6 plus 3, no, this is wrong. 6 plus 2 is 8, no, wrong. 5 plus 6, no, wrong. 5 plus 2 is 7, okay, 4 plus 3 is 7, 6 plus 1 is 7. So this is the right answer. Okay, so if you open that particular box and you have to add all the values which are there on the one, like some opposite faces values will be 7. So 4 plus 3 7, 5 plus 2 7 and 6 plus 1 7 in this case. So but in other cases it is not like that. Okay, so that is the end of this chapter also. So we will soon meet again with a new chapter. And until then, don't forget to subscribe to my channel, and then click on the bell icon, click this like button, and then share it quickly to your friends. Visit my website hnu7.com, and from there you can get so many updates on a regular basis. Thank you, and bye bye.